Before you start decluttering your home, have you ever wondered what you might regret tossing out, or wish you had thought about first? Today, we're diving into the crucial things you should consider before decluttering to save yourself from unnecessary regret and maximize your efforts. Don't start decluttering until you've heard this. Welcome to today's video. If you're ready to tackle decluttering your home, but feel hesitant or overwhelmed, you're not alone. Many people dive into decluttering without taking a moment to reflect, leading to regrets about items they discard or the way they approach the process. In this video, we'll go over the wishes and thoughts you should have before decluttering your home, so you can make the process smoother, more intentional, and regret-free. Wish 1. I wish I had a clear vision for my space. Why it matters. Without a clear goal, decluttering can feel chaotic and unfocused. How to define your vision. Imagine how you want your space to look and feel. Create a mood board or write down your goals for each room. Example: if your goal is a minimalist aesthetic, use it as a filter to decide what stays and what goes. Wish 2. I wish I knew what brings me joy. The power of joy. Borrowing from Marie Kondo's method. Only keep items that spark joy. How to identify joyful items. Hold each item and ask yourself if it truly makes you happy. Reflect on memories or utility associated with the item. Tip: avoid keeping items out of guilt or obligation. Wish 3. I wish I had sorted my sentimental items. Why sentimental items are tricky. They often hold emotional weight, making them hard to let go of. What to do. Set aside sentimental items for last to focus on easier decisions first. Wish 4. I wish I had a decluttering plan. The importance of planning. Diving in without a plan can lead to burnout and unfinished projects. How to create a plan. Break down decluttering into manageable tasks, for example, one room or category at a time. Set a timeline to stay on track. Tip: use the 4-box method. Keep, donate, trash, or relocate. Wish 5. I wish I had researched donation options. Benefits of knowing where to donate. Reduces guilt about letting go of items. Helps items find a second life with someone who needs them. How to research. Look up local charities, thrift stores, or community organizations. Understand what items they accept and how to drop them off. Wish 6. I wish I had evaluated my buying habits. Decluttering starts with shopping. Reducing future clutter means being mindful of what you bring into your home. How to change habits. Ask yourself if you really need an item before buying. Focus on quality over quantity to reduce waste and clutter. Wish 7. I wish I had set emotional boundaries. Why boundaries matter. Family and friends might have opinions about what you should keep or toss. How to set boundaries. Be firm but kind when explaining your decluttering goals. Remember that it's your space and your decision. Wish 8. I wish I had started small. The problem with starting big. Tackling a whole house at once can feel overwhelming. Start small. Tips. Begin with a single drawer, shelf, or closet. Celebrate small wins to build momentum. Wish 9. I wish I had considered the environment. Eco-friendly decluttering. Throwing everything in the trash contributes to waste. What to do. Recycle items responsibly. Repurpose or upcycle items where possible. Wish 10. I wish I had thought about future use. Avoid regret. Some items might have future utility even if they're not useful now. How to decide. Consider if the item could serve a purpose in the next 6 months to a year. Be realistic about your lifestyle and needs. Decluttering your home is a deeply personal journey, and taking the time to reflect before you start can save you from regret and make the process much more meaningful. By considering these wishes and planning your decluttering thoughtfully, you'll create a space that truly reflects your values and brings you joy. So, what are you waiting for? Start your decluttering journey today and transform your home into the sanctuary you deserve.